In this video, we are reviewing how to access and use Southeastern's transfer evaluation system. This system is useful for prospective and incoming transfer students to see how courses from other colleges or universities may transfer into Southeastern. This is also helpful for current Southeastern students looking into taking courses elsewhere. We will start by visiting southeastern.edu/transfer. Select application information, then select how credits transfer. This page gives some information about how Southeastern reviews and accepts transfer credits from other institutions. If you scroll down, there are instructions and a link to access the transfer evaluation system. Click on where it says TES for Southeastern. This system houses any colleges or universities that Southeastern has evaluated courses from in the past. Please keep in mind that this is considered unofficial until the Office of Admissions receives and evaluates your official transcript. You're going to start by searching for your previous college or university in the search box at the top. Say you currently attend North Shore Technical Community College. Search for that. Make sure the city and state are correct, as well as the name of your college, and then select. Here you can review all the courses that have previously been accepted from North Shore Technical. If you are looking for a particular course, say you took Math 1015 at North Shore, search right here, course number, and click the little arrow. This will let you know that Math 1015 at North Shore is the same as Math 161 College Algebra here at Southeastern. So if you've taken this class, you can go ahead and check off on it and add to your list. From here, you can stack up as many courses as you would like or that you've taken previously at your current institution to make a list. There you can email, you can export to an Excel file, or if you're done looking at it, you can go ahead and clear your list. Let's look at one more class. Let's say at North Shore you took History 1500. Search, click on the arrow for that course. You can see that History 1500 at North Shore transfers as History 1XX to Southeastern. What that means is that this class is not a direct equivalent, that we don't offer a class like this, but it can be used as a history elective. And you can do the same thing with this course. Check it, add it to your list, and then you can use all the same functions for any of the classes. If you have any questions about course evaluations or the transfer evaluation system, please reach out and let us know.